Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need SSMS installed and a live connection. Once connected, open Object Explorer and locate the target database. You must have sufficient permissions because diagrams require metadata changes, so make sure your account is DB owner or has alter and create rights. Right-click the database, then choose the Database Diagrams node and select New Database Diagram to start. This step initializes the diagramming support objects. Once done, the tool will prompt you to add tables immediately, so be ready to select the core tables you want visualized. Once the diagram canvas opens, add the tables you need by selecting them from the Add Table dialog. This lets you control scope and performance. Arrange tables by dragging. Make use of align and distribute to create readable layouts. If a relationship is missing, you can create one by dragging the primary key column to the foreign key column and defining referential action options. Make sure to save frequently. Saving writes diagram data into sysdiagrams, preserving positions and custom relationship lines for future edits and deployments. To finalize, save the diagram with a descriptive name so teammates can find it. SSMS stores it in the sysdiagrams table. If you need high-resolution outputs, export via a screenshot tool or use a dedicated diagram export utility because SSMS lacks native vector export. If saving or opening fails, check that your user still has alter and create permissions and confirm the sysdiagrams table exists. If entries are corrupt, recreate the table or remove problematic rows, then reopen SSMS and retry. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.